Okay, this video is about finding the answer when you put a number into the function. Well, there's a second way of doing it. So you could just put it in. What's f of 2? This is 2 cubed minus 3 times 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 5. So you'd have 8. 2 cubed is 8 minus 2 squared is 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 4 times 2 is 8, minus 5. So it's negative 4 plus 8 is 4. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. Okay. Well, there's another way of doing this called synthetic substitution. It's just doing synthetic division, but with the number you want to see when you put it in. So there's 2. Let's do this. It'd be 1, negative 3, 4, negative 5. So bring down the 1. 2 times 1 is 2. That's negative 1. That's negative 2. That's 2. That's 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Add that. And notice what happens. The remainder is always what you get when you put that number into the function. So you could do synthetic substitution and the remainder is your answer. Put it in the function, you get negative 1. Do synthetic division or synthetic substitution, they call it because you're substituting it in. The remainder is the answer, what you get when you put this number into the function. Is it better? No, it's just another way. So what happens when I put negative 1 in? 1, oh, I'm missing the cube. So 0, negative 3, negative 1, negative 5. So bring down, multiply. So notice how fast this is if you know the process. Add those, multiply. Now, easy to make a dumb mistake. We all do that. But I get negative 6. So let's do it one more time by putting it in. Negative 1 to the 4th is 1. Minus negative 1 squared is 1 times that, be negative 3. This would be plus 1 minus 5. So negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1 minus 5 is negative 6. So I'm not saying it's better, it's just another option. So I want to find out, what do I get when I put 3 into this polynomial? 2, negative 5, 3, 1. So bring down the 2, that's 6, that's 1, that's 3, that's 9, 27, that's 28. Now the real difference is here you'd have 3 cubed is 27 times 2 is 54. Usually when you substitute this in, you get big numbers right away, where here the big number usually doesn't happen to the end. So this would be 9 times minus 45, so 54 minus 45, so not too bad. So one more, you do it, then I'll do it. Okay, negative 2. So it's uno, no, negative 1, oh, negative 1. So bring down, multiply, that'd be add it, so that's negative 2. That's 4, that's negative, that's 3. Negative 6, so negative 7. Put it in here, this would be negative 8. Minus 2. Oops, did I make them? Oh, that'd be plus 2. I'm sorry, it's minus. There we go. Minus 1, so negative 8 plus 2 is negative 6. Minus 1 is negative 7. So this is called synthetic substitution. We spent Thursday on this. So really, this is not a bad one. If you know how to do synthetic division, this should be easy peasy, chocolate cheesy. Okay, bye.